but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this.
Hey there, it is bathroom cleaning day. Come along with me while I take care of some business in the bathroom, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. It gives you some good cleaning motivation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join my family. Also, if you hit the bell notifications, you'll be notified of when I upload so you never miss your cleaning motivation. But let's get into it. So as always, I'm using my Clorox toilet bowl cleaner and the Clorox disinfecting wipes for the toilet. I soon will be investing in the Clorox wand. I love the idea of that. I checked out, my brush was so gross, and the thing that it sits in is so gross. I just need to throw it out at this point, and the next grocery shopping trip, I'm getting those Clorox wands. I'm over it. So anyways, off of that soapbox, I also used the Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile in the shower. I've mentioned before that I'm not the biggest fan of that, but since I recently did like a really big deep clean and disinfect of the shower, it didn't really need a really big clean. I still would prefer using Clorox. I wish I kind of would have used it, but I want to use up this Mrs. Meyer's first. So I'm just quickly going to scrub that, and then I'll turn the shower on to rinse all of the suds away.
Don't tell me why.
Alright, now that the toilet and shower are clean, which is the worst part, of course, now I'm going to just clean up the counters, do a quick Windex of the mirrors, declutter the counter, and then wipe it down with the Clorox wipes. And if you like the music in the video, be sure to check out NCS's YouTube channel. They have a bunch of their no copyright music, and that's what I use. I really love their music, and it's affordable, so it's really free and great music. I love it. Let me know your thoughts on the music. Do you like the more like electronic sounding music, or should I switch it up to maybe something a little bit more relaxing? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I am always willing to check something else out. Also leave a comment below. What are your plans this Memorial weekend? It came up so fast. I have no idea what I'm even going to do with that day off of work. So let me know below what you guys are doing. And yes, I am using a Clorox wipe on the floor. I know everybody uses a mop, but with these tight corners and my hair falling out at the warp speed that it does, I literally have to do this almost every day because I have so much hair. So I did like a good swipe through with the Clorox wipes and made sure to get up all of the hair so my boyfriend quits whining about it. And every once in a while I will take the steam mop through there as well and make sure everything's disinfected, but it's usually after I wipe up all the hair also. So that concludes this bathroom, and then we will move on to my son's bathroom. I'm sorry for the terrible lighting that glares from the lights. I don't know why my camera does this. It always happens when I film with my camera instead of my phone, but whatever, just bear with it. I didn't have enough space on my phone, so I toggle back and forth between the two. It just makes it easier to make sure that I can film as much content as possible, and then I just move everything off of my phone to edit. But I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing in this bathroom, declutter and wipe down the sinks and counters. I didn't Windex the mirrors in this bathroom because they've already been done recently. We don't use this bathroom other than to bath my son, so it really doesn't need it right now. And then I'll go ahead and do the toilet and the tub as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and it gave you some great cleaning motivation. Also, hit the subscribe button as well to be notified when I upload. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.